In the last 4 years, AI has evolved at an incredible pace. Thousands of creators jumped into AI automation, hoping to build successful YouTube channels. But there was one major problem. Most people had no idea which AI tools actually worked, how to create high-quality videos, or how to avoid expensive subscriptions and credit limits. During that time, I've grown multiple channels, worked with clients, and generated thousands of dollars online. And today, I'm going to show you 4 AI websites that I personally use for my own content creation. All 4 of them are completely free, open source, and allow you to create unlimited videos. No credits, no hidden limits, no subscriptions. But here's the important part most people never tell you. I'm not just going to give you the names of these tools. I'm going to show you the exact way to use them so you never run into credit limits or generation restrictions. You can run these tools on your laptop, PC, or even your phone. And some of them can even run offline on your own system. So, make sure you watch this video until the end because, at the end, I'll share all the links, sources, and addresses so you can access everything easily without falling into those fake free AI traps. But before I show you the tools, take a look at this. And this one. And this. All of these videos were generated using very basic prompts. Look at the quality, the resolution, the animation, and how smooth the motion is. Even the background sound design is incredibly realistic. With these tools, you can create videos for YouTube, TikTok, or Shorts, and choose any format you want: vertical, horizontal, or square. You can generate text to video, text to image, or even image to video in just minutes. Now, before I show you the process, I want to ask you a quick favor. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and comment the name of your city or country so I can see where our videos are reaching. I created this channel to share the experience I've gained on YouTube. Right now, my team and I are running 5 AI-based channels, generating thousands of dollars online. On this channel, I'll show you real AI tools that actually work, the same ones we personally use. Unlike many so-called AI gurus who simply copy information from chatbots without ever using the tools themselves. My goal with this channel is simple: to help you discover real AI tools that are actually free and unlimited, so you don't have to waste the time I spent searching for them. So, if that sounds helpful, consider subscribing because I'll keep sharing the exact tools we use in our own content creation. Alright, let's get started. We'll begin with Tool 1, our favorite one, and we'll work our way up to Tool 4, the best one. So the first website is Qwen AI, so open your Chrome browser and search for Qwen AI, then click on the first result. Once you are on the home page, click on Try Qwen Studio. If you have not logged in, click on Log In at the top right corner and log in with your Gmail account. After logging in, you will reach the main interface. You might notice that the interface looks familiar. That's because it is a little similar to ChatGPT. But this one is open source and offers many pro-level features. For example, you can attach files directly in the chat, do deep research, generate images and videos, and do many other things. Now let's generate an image. So copy my prompt from ChatGPT, or you can also write your own prompt and paste it here in the prompt box. Then press the Enter button. You can see it has started generating the image. Now that the image is ready, Let's convert it into a video and see how it turns out. Wow, look at this. The video looks very beautiful. Now let's check it. So wow, the animation is very, very beautiful, and even the background sound is perfectly generated. If you want to save this video, simply click the download button and download it directly to your system. Also, if you scroll to the community section, you can see what other people are creating with this tool. Here you will find many images made by other people. And if you want to see the videos made by other people, click on the video button. Then scroll and see the videos generated by other users. Now, let's talk about our second website. And remember, the website I'll show you after this one is my personal favorite. But first, let me show you this one. So, open your Chrome browser and search for Google Flow, then click on the first result. After opening the website, you can see this interface. Now click on Create with Google Flow and log in with your Gmail account. After logging in, click on New Project. Now you can see this interface. From this plus icon, you can upload a picture as a sample, and from this option, you can set the video settings. So, let's upload the picture that I want to animate. I upload this picture, then right-click on it and select the Animate option. Now come to the prompt box and write a simple prompt. For example, I write, "Cats run," then press Enter and approve it. Within seconds, the video is ready. Let's check the results. So wow! Such an amazing video is generated by Google Flow. Also, the background sound is excellent. Now let's make a video directly from a text prompt. So I copy my prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here in the prompt box. Then press Enter and approve it. The video will be ready in a second. So the video is ready. Now let's check the results. So wow! The video is so beautiful and amazing. Now, if you want to save the video, right-click on it and click Save Video As. Now let's move towards the third website, which is my favorite, and I generate videos from this website for my own content. Most of you might have already heard about this website, but trust me, I am going to show you something that most people don't know. So let's move towards the third website. Open your Chrome browser and search for Hugging Face. Then visit the first website that you see and sign in or log in with your Gmail account. After logging in, look at the top menu and click on Spaces. And now you've basically opened the treasure box. You will find almost every type of AI tool here. Literally everything. You can think of it like an AI marketplace where developers share their tools. You'll find tools for image generation, video generation, language translation, language synthesis, 3D modeling, text analysis, image editing, code generation, voice cloning, background removers, image upscalers, music generators, and many more. So, our focus is on video generation. So click on Video Generation. Scroll down a little. By the way, many of the tools you see here are video generators. Some may not work, but most of them work perfectly and allow you to generate videos. For example, let's open this one called WAN 2.214b Fast Preview. Once you open it, you'll see the image to video option. Here, you simply upload an image, and in the prompt box, describe what you want to happen in the video. So, I upload the picture that I want to animate, and as an example, I write a simple prompt like this: "She is smiling while studying." Now click on the Generate button, and the AI will start creating your video. And here, our video is ready, so let's check it. So wow! The video is good according to the prompt. If you give a perfect prompt, the video will also be perfect. Now you can download it to your device. So, on this website you can explore many tools. But without wasting too much time, let's move toward the last video generator. But before we move to the last website, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't commented yet, just write "thank you" in the comments. It really helps the video reach more people and supports the effort I put into making these tutorials. So, I'd really appreciate that. Now, let's move to the final tool. So, open your Chrome browser and search for Pixverse AI, then click on the first website. After opening the website, click on the Login option in the top right corner and log in with your Gmail account. After that, you will see the prompt box. From these options, you can set your video resolution and duration. For example, I want to make a 10-second video, so I select tens, and for the resolution, I select 16:9. Now upload the picture that you want to animate. So I select this picture and write your prompt here. For example, I write, "The cat is running behind the rat." Then click on the Create button. The video will be ready within seconds. So, my video is ready. Let's check the results. Wow! An amazing video has been generated by Pixverse AI. Also, the background sound is amazing and beautiful. Now you can save this video to your system. So that's the complete process. I hope you understood everything if you watched the video till the end. If this tutorial helped you, please take just 1 second to like this video. It may seem like a small click, but it really helps the video reach more people who are looking for content like this. Also, leave a comment below and tell me which country you're watching from and which AI website was your favorite. I read every single comment, and your support genuinely motivates me to keep creating high-quality AI tutorials for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because I regularly share the latest AI tools, AI websites, and step-by-step tutorials that can help you create amazing content for free. Your 1 like, 1 comment, and 1 subscribe mean a lot to me and encourage me to keep bringing you better videos. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.